Okay, the adventure continues. Today we are going to see those bridges in Madison County and also a Veterans Memorial. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for
Okay, this is the first bridge on our tour. This is the Cutler Donahue Bridge. It was built in 1870 and then later relocated to this spot in 1971, so 100 years later.
start a fight. I know it's only been a week, but I can't eat, I'm losing sleep, I'm missing you. On Sunday, I will make a brand new start. On Sunday, I will fix this broken heart. Maybe I won't be sad next Sunday. People running off to work. No one sees how much you hurt. It doesn't matter anyway.
Okay, here's an interesting fact about what small town hour. Apparently, in the Civil War, they had a population of about 7,000, and 700 men went and fought in the Civil War. That's 10% of the population. But yeah, this is honoring the war dead.
Start on Sunday. I will fix this broken heart. Maybe I won't be sad. I'll be okay. I'll find a way inside my heart.
And as a side note on that, Winterset was part of the Underground Railroad, where escaped slaves, came through and were hidden by people to escape. Because Winterset, we're not too far from Missouri and the Mason-Dixon line. So yeah, good for you, Winterset. On to Rosamond Bridge.
All right, so this is bridge number 2 on our trail of bridges. This is the Roseman Bridge. It was built in 1883, and it's the most popular of the covered bridges because this is one that was highlighted in the movie Bridges of Madison County, so the most popular of them all.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness. Been alone too many nights. You came by the other day, dropped off a key but wouldn't stay. We couldn't even start a fight. I know it's only been a week, but I can't eat, I'm losing sleep, I'm missing you. On Sunday, I will make a brand new start. On Sunday, I will fix this broken heart. Maybe I won't be sad next Sunday. People running off to work. No one sees how much you hurt.
Okay, guys, we're coming back through town from one of the bridges in Madison County. We just saw Rosenau. These bridges are just like within 5 miles of Winterset. There's one that's 14 miles out, and so you just kind of go back and forth across town. Anyway, we do not have time to hit this museum today, but we're going to be here another 5 days and look for a tour of the John Wayne Museum, which is across the block here, and a tour of his birthplace. This is where John Wayne, or Marion Robert Morrison, was born May 26, 1907. Okay, on to the Hollywell Bridge, and then next one after that, and we'll see what we do. Okay, this is the Hollywell Bridge. It is the longest at 110 feet, and it did appear in the movie.
On Sunday, I will make a brand new start. On Sunday, I'll fix this broken heart. Baby, I won't be sad. Oh, maybe I won't be sad this Sunday.
All right, you guys, this is the Cedar Ridge? Sorry, this is the Cedar Ridge covered bridge, and it was built in 1883, and it is the one featured on the book, Bridges of Madison County. You can actually still drive through this. So, let's walk through it. Then we'll drive through it. There's actually 2 more in the area, but we're running out of time this afternoon. So you guys definitely need to come. It's a good way to kill spend an afternoon. It's a beautiful day today, and yeah, now we're gonna go help my son Jacob get more preparation for the wedding. This is Wednesday afternoon. They're getting married Saturday. And I might have that on my Patreon channel. You know what? I think I will have excerpts of that. If you want to, that's going to be a more personal side of Our Simple Adventures, family stuff and that. So check out my Patreon channel and see if I have that up there. It's patreon.com/Our Simple Adventures. And we are probably going to wrap that up today. Hoping to get to John Wayne's birthplace here in the next couple days. So look for that. And God bless. There's Hot Baked Italian, Lisa. God bless. Please share this with a like-minded person. And appreciate every one of you. We'll see you next time.